Kia infotainment systems like UVO and AVNT can experience update failures through OTA or USB methods. First, identify the failure type, a black screen, error codes like update failed, error 101, or a complete system freeze. For OTA issues, ensure a strong cellular signal and avoid any interruptions. Access Kia's support portal for the Force Update Retry tool in Settings. For USB updates, verify the drive is correctly formatted with Kia's update files and ensure a stable vehicle connection. If the update remains stuck, a USB rollback is often necessary, particularly for older pre-2022 models. Contact your Kia dealer for assistance if under warranty. User forums like Kia Forums and Reddit offer valuable model-specific troubleshooting tips. If a Kia infotainment update fails, rolling back to a previous firmware version can restore functionality. This is usually done via USB with files obtained from Kia or a dealer. Ensure your vehicle is in park mode with a full battery. A subtle loading animation indicates the process is underway. Kia is shifting towards more reliable OTA updates, partnering with Harman International for cloud-based systems. Aiming for self-healing updates by 2027, these will auto-roll back if issues are detected, potentially reducing user-reported failures significantly. Be aware that some features may require a Kia Connect subscription, which could affect update availability if lapsed. Always back up your system settings before attempting any update or rollback.